Dear students, welcome to one more new video of 10th standard social science. In this video, let us see important multiple choice questions based on statements. These MCQ are very important from the exam point of view. Let's begin. All the natives of Hindustan are completely corrupt, was said by Lord Wellesley, Lord Cornwallis, Lord Dalhousie, Warren Hastings. Correct answer is option B, Lord Cornwallis. Creation of a new class of Indians who are Indian by body but British in intelligence, opinion, and taste was aimed by Jonathan Duncan, Charles Grant, Warren Hastings, Macaulay. Correct answer is option D, Macaulay. Let's move to question number 3. Rajaram Mohan Rai is the harbinger of modern India, progenitor of Indian social reformation movement, and the prophet of Indian nationalism, was said by Dayananda Saraswati, Mahatma Gandhi, Ravindranath Tagore, Subhash Chandra Bose. Correct answer is option C, Rabindranath Tagore. Back to Vedas was declared by Dr. Atmaram Panduranga, Dayananda Saraswati, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Correct answer is option B, Dayananda Saraswati. One has to interpret one's religion according to the changing times. Otherwise, religion becomes sluggish, was said by Swami Vivekananda, Annie Besant, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Sri Narayana Guru. Correct answer is option C, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. The one who responds to the poor is Mahatma, and the one who doesn't is Duratma, was said by Swami Vivekananda, Annie Besant, Sri Narayana Guru, Periyar. Correct answer is option A, Swami Vivekananda. One caste, one religion, and one God for human beings was the basic idea of E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar, Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Sri Narayana Guru. Correct answer is option D, Sri Narayana Guru. No country of the world shall practice apartheid policy, was declared by India, USA, Russia, China. Correct answer is option A, India. No corner of world shall have imperialism, was declared by USA, Russia, South Africa, India. Correct answer is option D, India. Analysis of why a group of people stayed outside the village, whether they came from outside or were pushed outside, provides an answer to the birth and practice of untouchability, was said by Mahatma Gandhi, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer is option C, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Untouchability is a heinous expression of caste system, and it is the hatefulest expression of caste, was said by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Swami Vivekananda, Sri Narayana Guru, Mahatma Gandhi. Correct answer is option D, Mahatma Gandhi. Human society is formed on natural inequalities. This natural inequality is based on division of labor. Was said by Plato, J.S. Mill, Rousseau, Montesquieu. Correct answer is option A, Plato. Division of labor creates less skilled workers. Was said by Aristotle, Plato, Karl Marx, J.S. Mill. Correct answer is option C, Karl Marx. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it was declared by Arvind Ghosh, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal. Correct answer is option C, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. You sent us unformed Gandhi and we sent back the complete of Gandhi was declared by Nelson Mandela, South Africans, African National Congress, Dada Abdullah. Correct answer is option B, South Africans. A call, do or die, was given by Abdul Kalam Azad, Gandhiji, Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Correct answer is option B, Gandhiji. Give me your blood, I will get you freedom, was said by Subhash Chandra Bose, Rash Bihari Bose, Bala Gangadhar Tilak, Mahatma Gandhiji. Correct answer is option A, Subhash Chandra Bose. Political freedom without social freedom is meaningless, was believed by Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Correct answer is option D, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. We, people of the world community, is found in Indian Constitution, American Constitution, Preamble, the UN Charter. Correct answer is option D, the UN Charter. Truth is God was stated by Subhash Chandra Bose, Rash Bihari Bose, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Mahatma Gandhiji. Correct answer is option D, Mahatma Gandhiji. Congress supports complete democracy and it fights for democracy only and not for socialism, was declared by Rajendra Prasad, Abul Kalam Azad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Correct answer is option C, Jawaharlal Nehru.